need to be prepared because it could, I mean, there is the potential for some scary stuff.
You're exactly right, Amy. And one thing I want to make very clear is that we have amazing technology, and we've been looking at what was potentially panning out for Wednesday for days now. Unfortunately, it still looks as if it is going to be severe. God's given us the wisdom, and I encourage you to truly take that wisdom and prepare. You know, it's better to be safe, isn't it? The threat for tomorrow is a 3 coming in. The timing is going to be Wednesday around lunchtime. We'll see a few rounds, and that does include an overnight issue. And I realize this gives some people anxiety, especially when you feel like you're having to relive a situation we had not too long ago. I encourage you to reach out to family, friends. Let's talk about it. I'm here for you, and we will get through this together. I don't want you to be frightened, but you just have to be safe. Today, sun and clouds will be out there. It is going to be muggy by the time we do head into the afternoon. Tomorrow, we'll have showers, storms, some of which will be strong to severe. Since it does come in waves, there will be some lulls in between. The final wave will take place tomorrow night going into our Thursday. Right now in Lebanon, things are dry, and it is a little foggy in a few spots, nothing too widespread. Current temperature for you guys, you're coming in at 56. We did have some showers and storms earlier along the Alabama state line. They have now moved their way over into Chattanooga and did produce some severe storms in place. A lot of lightning, and it was pretty loud. Now, this is all thanks to a warm front that is making its way just to our south. So we've got this warm front, and pending where it begins to set up shop, really is going to change the game as far as who's going to see the severe threat. We've got the system, and then we've got this cold front off to our west, and that's really what's going to fuel it as well. So for today, just kind of sit back and just have a plan in place. We are going to see temperatures back in those 70s. We head into tomorrow morning. That's when the clouds are really going to move in. We'll see showers and storms. Now, the more rain, the more consistent rain we can have earlier on, that is going to help, but it will not prevent the entire threat for severe storms. And you can tell by looking at this model run, it has us around 3 o'clock with the rain north of I-40 going into portions of southern Kentucky, and then we have that lull down along the Alabama state line. That's the area that has the highest risk. It's not limited to that area, but that's where we've got the most unsteady and unstable atmosphere. As we go closer, Wednesday around 9, 10 o'clock, please don't take this time as the gospel, but it's a good indication. That's when we're going to see the final system move its way through. And this is when, even though the sun will have set, we're still going to have enough energy to potentially bring strong storms in place. As we go into 2, 3, 4 a.m., that is finally going to exit its way, and then we'll see just a few showers lingering early on into Thursday. So the main concern with this, damaging winds, heads down. When you've got these heavy cells that also could produce potential flood situations, and I cannot rule out a spin-up tornado or two. The highest threat is, yes, down to our south, but because we're on the outer crest of it, just a slight wobble in this situation could change it up for us. Here's a look over the next 7 days. Today we're going to top out at 75. We do have that Storm 5 threat tomorrow, and it's not just the morning. It's not just the afternoon. There are going to be waves, and that does include the overnight hours. Thursday, 64. We're going to dry out by the afternoon. It's going to get cool Friday, 57. And then as we head into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the sunshine is back along with those 60s, even flirting with 70 degrees, Ben, by Monday.